Welcome. If you want to block ads in your Wieppo S5, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Opera Mini. Let's get this browser and we are going to use it to block the ads, so just wait and I'm going to show you how it works. Right now just open. Accept permissions right here. Click OK. And tap on this icon. And as you can see here we got the ad blocking, so we have to check if it is turned on, like in my case. And right now we can enter the website, for example this one. And as you can see here we got the notification that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now we can just scroll down and we cannot find here any ads, as you can see. And when we click here one more time, we can check how many ads were blocked. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.